What's up? This is a breakdown. You call this a cryptic Sudoku generator review, or I should say, cryptic Sudoku puzzles generator review. Okay, I'm going to show you how this software works. You know, whatever I present to you is stuff that actually works, not this fly by night crap that's out there, but things that actually can help you, big levers, things that you can leverage to help you online. And this is one of them. Okay. Now, one of the niches that was um, out of reach for most KDP publishers was the cryptic Sudoku market. Now, Sudoku has been easy for most publishers to create and sell on Amazon. The market is saturated. You always want to look for that big lever. You always want to look for those unfair advantages, and that's what this software does. Now, I'm going to get into software in a little bit. Make sure if you're interested in learning about the upgrades and my bonuses, you go on the page below. I have a link in the comments. You can check out my bonuses. And also, more importantly, you can check out the upgrades to see if this is a match for you or not. Okay. Now, I want to show you how this tool works. No fluff. Very simple. This is one of the easier tools to use. Actually, whatever it presents to you is pretty easy, but this is one of you can even save it much easier. First thing you want to do when it comes to a tool like this, you want to go to the settings section, and you want to make sure the defaults align with the typical book in this market. You don't want to deviate from what's typical in this market, and because this market's so out of reach from most publishers, you don't have to worry about not being able to meet market demand. Okay. So just, I want you to set the defaults. You want to make sure, because this is a workbook type of activity book type of book. How many times did I say book there? You want to make sure it's 8.5 by 11. That's your standard default size. I recommend that. Make sure your page number is set at one, just the one. You don't need all these letterings. Just keep it at one. Keep things nice, short, and simple. Now you want to come up here. Now, again, I have the full suite of features. So if you want to check out the upgrade and which will match up, you don't need the upgrades. You don't need the upgrades to get my bonuses. You don't need the upgrades to build out a book, but the upgrades do give you more types of Sudoku. Okay, that's obvious. So if you want to check that out, you can look at this page down below here. So let's just start out really simple. And this video is going to be short because there's not much. This is very simple. This software does all the heavy lifting for you. So this here is called Samurai. This is called Star. And some of these are just icon. Now, these Sudoku puzzles are really difficult. I'm not a Sudoku player. I do sell Sudoku, but you got to understand that these puzzles are very difficult and you're appealing to a very niche market of puzzle solvers who really love those really difficult types of Sudoku puzzles, really simple to understand. So if you want, you can create an activity book of several different Sudokus, Star Sudoku, Samurai Sudoku, um, Windoku, Arrow Sudoku, whatever you want. You can bundle them together, or you can just have one type. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go with Star Sudoku. I'm going to click on that. Okay. And there it is. It's right in the middle, like that. Now check this out. Now I click on this image right here. I go to the bulk section, and let's say I want enter the number of pages to clone. I want a book of 30. Remember with Amazon KDP, the minimum book amount is 24, especially for 8.5 by 11. And page number puzzle starts good. Just let's click clone pages, and it's going to create unique puzzles. Look at that. You see, this is unique from this, and you have a book of 30. We're not done, right? We need those solutions. Forgive if the images don't show up quickly, but yeah, they're all there, all 30, and they're all unique. Really important. Now, second step, you need your solutions page at the back of the book. Very simple. You click on this eye icon on the left. You put solutions 4 per page. Okay. If it's at 1 by default, make sure you click on 4. and click generate solution. Let me move myself out of the way, and boom, just like that. Okay, so you got all the solutions in the back of the book. They're all numbered and they all correspond to the actual puzzle on the page, right? Great stuff. Okay. Now, all you got to do, all you got to do is download, click this big download button, and you have your book done. Okay. I'm going to provide for you the essential pages. I'm going to provide for you all the little details with my bonuses here, obviously. Okay. I don't mess around. If you've gotten anything from me, you know that I provide lots and lots of value. Okay. I don't skimper on the value. And the cool thing with my bonuses, unlike people, other marketers out there, other publishers out there, I don't require you to get any of the upgrades. You can just get all of them with the front end. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you understood what this tool is about and how easy it is. And again, I urge you to check out the page below and check out the upgrades if they fit with you and your budget. And again, you don't need the upgrades to actually build out a book. You can do it with just the front end. Of course, the upgrades do help you out. Okay, you be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I give away a lot of free stuff as well, a lot of free software without jumping through any hoops at all. So check it out. Check out my other videos. You're going to love it. Be good. Take care and have a wonderful day. Ciao.